Hello guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to upload shorts on YouTube from PC. So to do this is pretty simple. So all you have to do is go to your studio, YouTube studio, and press create, upload video, and then drag the video, which has to be at a 180 by just the normal phone reel conscription ratio, and then 60 seconds below, and then edit that draft from here. Add your thumbnail or just auto generate right here, so this is just sample. So here you can add it to your playlist, you can add it to your audience. So no, it's not made for kids. Make a restriction for this. So next, the video elements, add an end screen, you can import, add cards. So from there you can check, and then next, so here you can make it private, you can make it public, but of course this is gonna be a reel, so there you go. So now you save it and then you just publish it. It's just that simple. So there you go guys. If this video was helpful, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe.